Hello friends, today I'm going to give a book review of National Geographic Kids, Little Kids First Big Book of the Ocean by Catherine D. Hughes. This book is about ocean. This book will introduce us about the world's ocean. Let's see inside this book. What is this? Can you answer, my friends? What is this animal? It is West Indian manatee. Its name is West Indian, but it is not probably found in the West Indian. Its name is West Indian manatee. Little kids first. Let's begin. Wow, what a magnificent picture, my friends. Did you like it? What is this turtle's name? Sea turtle? No. Its name is hawksbill sea turtle. For this, because its bill looks like a hawk's bill. Let's see in the contents page. And what are these dolphins? What are these dolphins' name is what? Can you tell my friends? This is bottlenose dolphins. If you have said bottlenose dolphins, you are right. And if you did not say bottlenose dolphins, you are wrong. Bottlenose dolphins are one species of dolphins. Dolphins have many species, but bottlenose dolphins is one species among the other species of dolphins. Let's see the contents page. Introduction. How to use this book. Pacific Ocean. The first chapter of this book is Pacific Ocean. Sea otter, blue whale, marine iguana, California sea lion, deep sea anglerfish, leafy sea dragon, yellow-bellied sea snake, stony coral, orange clownfish, and magnificent sea anemone, orca, wandering albatross. Let's go to the next chapter. Atlantic Ocean. Caribbean reef octopus, West Indian manatee, great white shark, Atlantic puffin, Atlantic spotted dolphin, Atlantic horseshoe crab, Antarctic krill. Chinstrap penguin, grey seal, yellow tube sponge, Indian Ocean, giant oceanic manta ray, long-time porcupine fish, whale shark, blue star, common lionfish, hawksbill sea turtle. Arctic Ocean. The last chapter. The third chapter, Indian Ocean. Last chapter, the coldest ocean is the Arctic Ocean. Beluga, walrus, narwhal, Arctic or landsman jellyfish. 10 cool things to remember about the ocean. Arctic Ocean is the coldest ocean in the world. Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. The Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean, that means the largest ocean in the world, the whole world. Okay friends, let's discover this book and let's gain knowledge about ocean. The first chapter of this book is the Pacific Ocean. Chapter 1, Pacific Ocean. The biggest part of Earth's ocean is called the Pacific Ocean. In this chapter, you will meet a few of the animals that live there. Okay, let's meet the animals. Hello, who are you? Tell your name, mister. He is sea otter. Have you ever seen a sea otter? A sea otter uses rocks to break open shellfish to eat. Let me explain you the meaning. Okay, my friend? Okay, my friends? A sea otter means a sea otter uses rocks to break open shellfish. A sea otter eat shellfish. So, it uses a rock to break open shellfish to eat. sorry friends, I can't cover these because if I cover this, most time we will run out. Means I have to make more videos about this. I can't cover all this book in one video, so I can't also cover the whole chapter in one video. Sorry friends, it will take 5 or 7, or it will take, I think, usually 10 videos for me to cover this whole chapter. Sorry my dear friends, I don't want to disappoint you. Okay, let's go. Kind of animal, mammal. Do you know what mammal is? Mammal are animals that give birth to babies. If you don't know friends, then you should know it, because if in your exams it is a question what is a mammal, then you can answer mammals are animals that give birth to young ones. And if in your exam the question comes what are reptiles, then you can say reptiles live in water as well as in oceans. No, you can say that reptile live in water and live in ground. And reptile also lay eggs. Do you know? Most sea animals lay eggs, and some sea animals like blue whale, sea otter are mammals. Means they give birth to young ones. Okay. Home means the sea otter lives in shallow coastal waters in the northern Pacific. Means in the North Pacific Ocean, the sea otter lives in the coastal waters. Okay. The size is weighs about as much as 2 4-year children. 2 4-year children means 8-year children. Means who are you watching this video? If you are 8 years old, if you are 8 years old, then the sea otter weighs about you, like you. Food: sea urchins, abalones, mussels, clams, snails, crabs, squid, octopuses, fish. Wow, of sea otter eats so much food. Sounds: coo, whine, whistle, growl. That means the sea otter sounds are coo, whine, whistle, growl. I can do some whistling. Let me hear it to you. I think some sea otters do that. Okay. Babies, usually one at a time. Okay. When a sea otter dives, its nose and ears close to keep water out. Okay, when a sea otter dives, its nose and ears are closed to keep the water out. Okay. Let's see this. Baby sea otter are born in the water. Okay. The sea otter is the baby sea otter. It is grooming. Kelp is the biggest seaweed in the ocean. Kelp grows into seaweed forest in some parts of the ocean. Means kelp is the biggest seaweed in the ocean. Kelp grows into a seaweed forest. The kelp grows into a seaweed forest in some parts of the ocean. Okay. Sea otters have webbed hind or back feet. Webbed feet help otters swim. Okay. Do you know sea otters? I think sea otters don't have tails. They have webbed feet that helps them swimming. Have you ever eaten shellfish such as clams, oyster, scallops or crabs? Friends, did you eat these? One of them? If yes, then okay. If no, try it. Okay friends, so we have completed one topic. So next time I will cover the topic of blue whale, marine iguana and California sea lion. So bye bye, wait for the next video.